Good morning, beautiful souls. We're talking this morning about parting ways with people, even within romance situations and in business. And the unicorn spirit says we must now start exercising, run, walk, swim, and otherwise move your body, dance even. This will give you more energy and happiness. And the angels and spirit want you to know that if you think you're alone, you are not. The angels and your guides are with you always through challenges that you face. Trust that outside sources will always be working with you to ensure the best outcome of every situation. We have your best interests at heart. Your angels and spirit guides love you. There is new beginnings on the horizons, and a secret wish will soon be granted. Keep your heart open. There's new ventures and fresh starts coming our way. There are wishes that were not granted. Let them go. Allow love to heal the fear. Share the message of love. The rivers of love flow within you, and others may benefit from this healing energy. There's justice and balance coming into our lives. Our guardian spirits watch over us. A magical encounter will change your life forever. It's going to just be good all round. And it's going to be in a form of a chain of events that will affect your life forever. There are nasty people that have brought you down, stubborn and aggressive people, but you a gifted soul and you are aligned with your higher power. You are growing stronger in your gifts and your truth, and the moon phases are aligning with you with your desires. All you have to do is make a wish, believe it, and get excited about your future. A time of great change is upon you, and you need to trust the process. Trust the magic of the universe and expect the unexpected. There's a lot of happiness coming your way. Thank you all for listening. Have a good day. Love you all.